Welcome. This is how to fix iPhone camera keep blinking. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your phone. Now, over here on the settings, you just simply scroll down and go for the camera. Here on the camera, you could just simply scroll down again and you should be able to see here lens correction. So guys, make sure to turn this off and mostly this fixes the issue. Now, another one is you could just simply go ahead and go for the record video. And if you scroll down below, you will have an option over here, lock camera. So guys, make sure to turn on lock camera and mostly this fixes the issue. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.